Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be demonstrating how to install the PDFLib Adobe Acrobat plugin so that you can build blocks on your PDFs before uploading them into MyOrderDesk for use with an Easy Merge template. I'm going to begin by logging in as a site administrator. And then in my administration menu, I'll go to Easy Merge Templates. And I am on a Windows machine. I'll go ahead and click on Windows, and it downloads the plugin, and I'll go ahead and install the plugin. Once that installation is complete, I will be able to open up Adobe Acrobat. And inside of Acrobat, we will see that there's a new menu at the top called PDFLib Blocks. And also in the Tools area, we'll scroll down, we'll be able to see add-ons, and we'll also be able to see PDFLib tools as well there. Next, we'll be showing the installation on a Mac computer. In this portion of the video, I'll be demonstrating how to install the PDFLib plugin for Adobe Acrobat on your Mac computer. To begin, log into your MyOrderDesk website and sign in as a site administrator. In the administration bar found at the top of the screen, go ahead and select that, and then select Easy Merge Templates. Scroll down, and you'll see that there's two different links for the different versions of the plugin for your Mac. I'll go ahead and select the Acrobat DC version. The plugin downloads, and we'll go ahead and click it to run. Once that successfully runs, you'll see a window open up that has the PDFLib block plugin. The next step is to open up your library. And to do this, at the top of the screen, make sure it says Finder, and then click on Go. On your keyboard, if you press the key that's labeled Alt-Option, you'll notice that a library option appears in that menu. If I let go of the key, it disappears. If I press the key, it appears. I'll go ahead and click on Library. Then, after I've opened up my library, I want to open up Application Support, Adobe, Acrobat, and the latest version DC. Inside of this folder, you'll find another folder named Plugins. Open that. Next, we'll come back to our PDFLib block plugin folder. We'll select it. And we're going to drag the block.acro plugin from that into the plugins folder. We'll see that that successfully adds. Next, we'll open up Adobe Acrobat to make sure the plugin is installed. Okay, I've opened up Acrobat Pro, and I can see the PDFLib blocks in the menu structure, which means we've successfully installed. Please watch our next video, which demonstrates the use of the PDFLib block plugin. Thank you, and have a great day.